Hi everyone, this is again Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty. So ngayon, I am here in Ayala, Alabang, and I'm very excited to feature one new listing that we have. It's a bungalow house with a total lot area of 347 and a floor area of 340. And dito pa lang sa labas, makikita mo na very simple lang siya if you look outside. Pero pagpasok nyo mamaya, I'm sure may enjoy nyo. Pero before we go inside, what you'll see outside is dito sa my left side ko, you have a one single carport. Pero there's absolutely no problem naman if you need additional parking space, you can park outside. So allowed naman yun dito sa loob ng village. And then on my right side naman, we have here yung space if you want to have a landscape garden. So you can design it to your preference. Pero sa ngayon, we have here yung grass. And then ayan, ito mga additional landscape na ginawa ng owner. Pero yun, if you want to improve, pwede din yun. Then another uh, cute thing about this property, dito, yung doorbell is nandito sa parang mini mailbox natin. So, dyan din iniiwan yung mga mails, no, sa inyo. Then, we have a doorbell. Tapos, etong stairs, ang ganda nito lalo sa gabi. Kasi, as you go up, may mga ilaw, no, sa stairs. Kaya maganda siya. Okay, so yun pa lang yung sa labas. Pero now let's check out kung ano naman yung meron sa loob. Pero yeah, before that, let's first appreciate yung mga materials na ginamit, no? So dito sa walls, may parang brick, ano siya, brick walls, no? Kaya ang ganda nung effect niya sa aesthetic ng property. Then we have lights both sides. Then pagpasok pa lang ng property, ito yung door natin. Two doors. So when we get inside, this is what will welcome you. It's very beautiful, no? So we have here on my right side yung kitchen area. Then dito yung my living area natin. But before we go there, pakita ko muna sa inyo to, guys. So from here, from the entrance, no, dito sa side na to, akala mo it's just a plain wall, di ba? Pero there's a surprise. Kasi ito ay isa siyang toilet, common toilet. So for your guests or for you, for your family, no, when you are, resting dito sa living area nyo. And eto, ang ganda nung finishes na ginamit dito kasi hindi siya yung usual, no. So para siyang abaka na mga materials na ginamit. And it's not only the wall, pero sobrang consistent niya sa theme nitong property kasi everything that we'll see mamaya has that touch ng yung mga wooden abaka, mga brick walls. So parang yun yung theme na ginawa niya dito sa property. Then this property, dito sa kitchen area, it comes with ito parang storage cabinet. Then meron na rin tayong two-door fridge dito. And then we have this huge island na pwede siyang maging breakfast nook nyo or yeah, if you are into cooking, so you have this huge space para gawin yung ganong passion nyo or yung interest nyo, no? And yeah, we have lights over here to light up yung area. Then dito naman sa side na to, we have the sink. And yeah, I like also yung finishes, no? Maganda siya and malaki yung sink actually. So enough space siya if you do the dishes. Tapos meron na tayong mga built-in kitchen cabinet. We have the stove here and then the exhaust. Okay? Then this property, dito pa lang sa living area and the kitchen area, it comes with two split type aircon already. So there's one there. And then there's another here sa kitchen area. Okay? Then, before we go to the living area, pakita ko lang sa inyo that from here sa kitchen, we have a access going outside papunta sa dirty kitchen natin. Ayan. So, dirty kitchen. And then on this side naman, sa kabila, nandito yung helper's room. So, meron siyang sarili niyang access going inside the house via this gate. Kasi yan, may sarili siyang meron din siyang toilet doon sa loob, toilet and bath. Ayan, she has its own. Okay, now, let's go back inside. So, dito naman sa side na to, so you can set up your dining area on this side. Then we have the living area on this side. So, what I like about the living area is yung view. Kasi, if imagine you're just, relaxing here, then you just wanna appreciate the view of the outdoor amenity, like your swimming pool, and then very consistent with the theme, even the center table has yung parang abaka na materials used. And then I also like the ones on top of this center table. And look at this, the lamp. So yung lamp para siyang fire extinguisher na design, pero it's good aesthetic, no? And um very consistent siya with the theme. And then, ayan, may mini tree ka dito on this side. So, para hindi siya sobrang plain. So, that's a good idea na ginawa ng owner. Okay, then we have here again, additional furnitures na inad ng unit owner just to make it, mas warm, mas homey yung pakiramdam. And then, for it not to be too plain kasi, 'di ba? And if you want more, you can add more paintings over here. So yeah, pero for me okay na 'to. Sobrang ako minimalist lang din kasi yung prefer ko. Kaya I like this property. And then ito yung hallway natin, the lights are really good. Maganda yung effect niya. So this property, by the way, it has a total of 4 bedroom. So, let's go to the first bedroom first. Ito siya. Okay. So, even the built-in cabinets, it's very consistent to the theme. So, we have yung abaka materials. And, yan, maganda yung ginamit niyang finishes. Then, you can set up your TV or maybe computer or whatever. You can turn this to parang mini entertainment room, pwede din. Then, ito naman, meron naman siya sarili niyang toilet and bath. So, if you have kids, this can also be turned to your kids' room. Okay? And it comes with split type aircon. Kasama na din siya. There you go. Okay. Then, on to the second bedroom. Ito, I like this bedroom kasi it has a good view nung outdoor amenity natin kasi may view siya ng pool. So ito pwede siyang maging junior master's bedroom but can also be your office. So if you want to be more productive. So ako kasi I like having good view, especially if I want to be more productive, no? Kasi alam mo yun, merong vibe na it's flowing and may water. So nakaka-good vibe siya. Then you have the greenery surrounding your property. So very refreshing. Then you have your own toilet and bath dito. And with really good finishes also. Ayan. Okay. So now, let's go to the third bedroom. So for the third bedroom, before we go to the master's bedroom, this is the third bedroom. It has the same size of the first bedroom that we saw earlier. Same finishes, same layout, and it also has its own toilet and bath. Okay, so all the bedrooms naman has its own toilet and bath, and the owner has also installed the split type aircon na kasama na din siya. Okay. Then, to the last part of the house, Here is your master's bedroom with also a good view of the outdoor amenity, yung sa swimming pool natin na and maganda, very refreshing. Then you have the plants you see outside. Then we have the um, built-in cabinet that is also in line with the theme, yung Abaca materials used. And akala mo yun na yun, di ba? Pero eto, hindi mo akalain na there's a surprise inside. Kasi this turns out to be a sliding door going to your toilet and bath. Ayan. So meron na siyang sarili niyang cabinet. Then you have here solid wood para sa sink. Then the water is ready. You have the mirror. You have the shower. So everything is all set. So parang ikaw na lang talaga yung kulang dito. So, but everything is all set, ready to move in. It's a ready for occupancy property that we have here in Ayala, Alabang, na bungalow house. So yeah, if in case you are interested to know more about this property, just send me a message. I will be very glad to assist you and to give you a tour. Kasi I'm sure if nagandahan na kayo sa video, I'm sure you'll be happier 100 more % kapag nakita niyo siya ng actual. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tour na ginawa natin today. And if you want to see more houses, I am featuring houses sa YouTube channel ko and to all my social media account and also to our company's page. So please follow us on our social media pages. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Thank you again for watching. This is Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty. And see you guys soon. Bye!